So managing media access control table is the topic for today. So we all know that MAC address is a physical address given to the network interface card, and this MAC address is 6 bytes in length. For illustration, I have shown a laptop here. Laptop should have a LAN card, a network interface card, and this card has been assigned a physical address that is known as MAC address, and that's 6 bytes in length. And we have a switch, and to use or to be part of a computer network, we connect that LAN card, our network interface card, with a switch. So this is a typical setup of a computer network. And of course, every switch maintains a MAC table where it has the MAC addresses and the outgoing interfaces. So for illustration purpose, I have shown here two computers which are connected with the help of a switch, and we want to see the MAC table entries of this switch. Just click on this switch and press enter. I'm going to maximize it so that this should be visible, and so you can see this is the switch, and we want to see the MAC table entries of this switch. For that, we can use the show command here, but it's better to go in the privilege mode, enable, and then show MAC address, and then tab. So show MAC address table and press enter. It is showing you the MAC address table. So at the moment you can see no MAC address is there in this MAC address column. It means in the switch at the moment there are no entries for the MAC table. It means the switch of this network has not been used. It means these nodes have not communicated with each other, so this switch has not learned any of the MAC address. Now, for example, just we want to use the ping command, for instance, just here, say ping, and sorry, I didn't tell you the IP addresses of these nodes. This is 192.168.10.1. and this is 192.168.10.2. So from this computer, we are going to ping 192.168.10.2, enter. So we got reply. It means these two nodes are connected, and they exchange not any specific data, but they just activated each other. They checked the connectivity, so they are connected, and these packets went through this switch. So now we should have the MAC table entries in this switch. So again, let's go to the command prompt and now use the same command, and that same command should be there in the memory. Just press the up arrow button. So this is the recently used command, show MAC address table, enter, and now you can see we have the entries in the MAC address. So this is one MAC address and this is second MAC address. It means now switch has learned two MAC addresses because there are two computers and they exchanged some information with each other because we use the ping command to check the connectivity. It means the frame went through this packet and packet learned that this port F01 port is connected with this MAC address, and the above MAC address, this MAC address is connected with another port of the switch. So this is how we can see the MAC table entries of a switch. So, and there are other commands as well which we can use, for example, to look into some subset of these commands. So with this command, we will have a complete table with it. It means all of the entries of the MAC table will be displayed. But for instance, we want to see only the MAC table entries of specific virtual LAN, maybe VLAN1, maybe VLAN2. So virtual LAN are the LANs which are part of the common broadcast domain. So we have another video on that. So So if we want to, if you are not interested in looking at the complete entries of the table, but we are interested only in subset of those entries, it means some group of the MAC table entries, then we can use a specific command like, say, we can address, say, show MAC address table dynamic vlan-1. So this is how we can see the MAC address table entries in the switch. And in the same way, we can also clear some of the entries of the MAC table. So for example, we want to clear the MAC table entries at the moment. So say clear MAC address table. So clear MAC address table and press enter. Now this command should have cleared all the MAC table entries of this switch. To verify, let's see. Show MAC address table. So we use again the show command, but because of this clear MAC address table entry, all the entries in this MAC table have been removed. It means now in the switch there are no MAC table entries. So as we saw in the Cisco packet tracer, that we can show the MAC address table, and this command. So this is the command which we can use there, and we use that, and this actually display the full MAC address table. And then we have another command which is going to display the VLAN specific MAC tables, MAC entries. So only the MAC addresses which belong to VLAN-1 will be displayed with the help of this command, instead of the complete table. Only the MAC table entries belonging to VLAN-1 will be displayed. So this is the definition for that. And in addition to that, I want to mention here that MAC table entries have a life. They do not stay there forever. They also have a life. So MAC table entries may be removed because of their age. So it means they have an age. By default, that age is 300 seconds in most of the switches. So it means after every 300 seconds, all the MAC table, it means whosoever MAC table entry has reached that limit, it means the age of that MAC table entry is 300 seconds, then that specific entry will be removed from the MAC table. And then if every time that entry has been again used, then their lifetime will start again. So it will start from 1, 2, 3 up to 300 seconds, and it will be removed after 300 seconds. But if in the meantime that MAC entry is being used again, then their lifetime will start again from 0, 1, 2, like this. And MAC table entries may also be removed because of table filling. For example, if the MAC table entries, for example, here, if we draw, if this is the size of the MAC table, and we have filled all of the rows here, and now, for instance, a new entry comes, then the oldest one has to die, has to make the place for the new one. So the oldest entries are removed if the table is out of the space for new entry. In the same way, MAC table entries may be removed because of using a command. It means by using a simple command, we ourselves can also remove a specific MAC table entry. Some specific MAC entry, for example, in this table, there is one specific entry, then we can use some command to remove that specific entry out of the MAC table. And these are the commands which can be used to remove MAC table entries. So first one is clear MAC table dynamic. So this will remove the complete table. So this is the command which will remove all of the entries from the MAC table. So all the entries which are there, they will be removed. The second command is a clear MAC address table dynamic VLAN. So for specific VLAN, so this is the VLAN number, for example, VLAN 1, VLAN 2, or VLAN 3. So that specific, the MAC table entries belonging to that specific VLAN will be removed, or they will be deleted. And then we have the clear MAC address table dynamic interface. So the MAC table entries of specific interface will be deleted. So this deletes dynamic entries of the MAC table related with specific interface or the port. And finally, clear MAC address table dynamic address MAC address. So this is the command by which we can remove the specific MAC address. So for example, whatever address that should be 6 bytes there. So whatever address we want to remove from this MAC table, we have to give that MAC address here, and with this command, that MAC entry will be removed from the MAC table. So I hope this is the end for this MAC table removal from the MAC table entry. We can remove some of the MAC addresses from that table by using these commands. And yeah, just the reason to show this in this way was to make it easier, so that the word should be in front of us. Anyway, thank you very much for today.